Hello, this is Group 5 submission for COMP0022, and today we're going to present you with our web application. Our web application's goal and purpose is to provide you with more rich insights when looking for auctions on eBay. So now we're going to start from the landing page. We have two options. First option is you can log in into the web page or you could register. We're going to go for the register phase in order to cover all the possible pages in our web application. So you need to click on the top right corner in order to sign up. Now, in order to log in, you need to go back on the top right corner and sign in. This will lead you to the second landing page, which would provide you with the opportunity to search for auctions. Bear in mind that the auctions searched for are only auctions based in the United Kingdom. Let us now search for an item. For example, let's search for iPhone charger. As you can see, we have arrived on the main page, which is the results page. The results page consists of a few main parts. The first part is a chart, which describes the price range frequency. It's a histogram, which is dynamically updated, and the buckets are dynamically set depending on the price. So over here you can see we have the biggest bucket is between 88p and £1.50, more or less. The second part of the information that we provide is general information about all the auctions that we have managed to get. The first one is the average price, which is the average price of all the auctions, the highest bid of all the auctions. The second one is the margin, and the third one is the number of listings. The third section of the results page is the most important one, and it's with the current listings. As you can see, for every product, we have provided additional metadata. The first one is whether the product was used or whether the product is in new condition. The second part is the below average price or above average price tag. Then we have a few columns which we directly pull and display from eBay API, which is the price and end time. Then we have price to bid, is determining at what price you should bid and at which time you should bid is the following column. Then we have two scores, which is the deal score and the seller score. The deal score is the main score, which has it considers few scores such as the seller score, the price score, and also the condition score. The way the products are ordered is descending via the deal score. From the current listings table, you can directly open and view the auction of interest. So as you can see, we have few attributes which correspond to analytics. So we have two different parts. The first part is analytics that we calculate in the database using views, which are the deal score, seller score, below average price. And we use Azure machine learning in order to calculate the price to bid and the best time to bid. So as you can see over here, how we aggregate our results is depending on the requests made. We create the view fetching results from multiple views in order to get the final table of interest. We use few basic resources in Azure. So we mainly work with the virtual machine and the Azure machine learning. We're currently using the database, which is hosted inside the virtual machine and not an external one. Moreover, we have a storage account in Azure. We have a virtual network. We also have a network security group, which was created by default. So next, I would like to show you the machine learning which we're applying to our analytics. We have utilized Azure machine learning in order to create a regression model, which we utilized in order to predict the best price to bid at and the best time to do that as well. After using Azure Machine Learning Studio, we have created a web service which we interact in the following way. So depending on the seconds left for the auction, the current bid, which is the highest one, the time bid, the delta percent, and the delta, where delta is the average price difference between the different bids, and delta percent is the same value but expressed in percentages. After inputting this data, we will get a comparatively good prediction of what our best approach to this auction might be. As you can see over here, for the previous input, we would get this in terms of output. Moreover, you could extract the graph as either PNG, JPEG, PDF, or SVG vector image. Thank you very much for your time.